Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we're going to go for a very beautiful hike. Most of it can be done by everybody. The second part, not so sure. So see the video and judge by yourself. We're going to start here at Hagar at this beautiful World Heritage Site. We're going to pass Mnajdra and continue down to the beautiful views one can find down there. So come with me and we start this beautiful hike. Hagar is a UNESCO heritage site. It's believed to be built 3,600 years ago, and this fenced off because of its importance. But today we're not going to visit this site. Even if you look here, everything here, there's a lot of history here. About 500 meters from here, I visit the Mnajdra tanks, and with the catacombs on the other side of the road. Down there, I'm not sure you can see, there's Mnajdra temples. So here it's full of history. Well, I'm following this path here to Mnajdra temples. It's going to be this part all downhill. Here one can see Hagar. Then if we follow this path, paved road, and you can go down to Mnajdra temple. Today is not the purpose of exploring neither Hagar nor Mnajdra, but we are going down by the sea, hopefully. It's a very nice walk, yeah. Here one can see some beautiful countryside on either side of this paved road. Filfla is very close to here. Halfway down, one can find a nice picnic area here. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, one can come here and bring his food or her food and come to eat it here. One cannot do any barbecues here, but the view from here, come to eat something. It's amazing. Look how it's clean, and it's nice to keep it cleaner. There's a beautiful view of Filfla up there. Look, like an old farmhouse here. How nice it is. So I think it's closed. Let's check, because we always like to go into things with nice rubble water. It's like an old farm. Very nice, yeah. See? I have to come here. Have to bring Sharon here. She will love this place, because she loves to see the sea always, everywhere you go, and I cannot blame her. So let's go to the paved path and continue on our way down, and then we're going to take a tour, because there's a tower here. We'll go to check it out. The air is very fresh and clean. Yeah, I'm really enjoying. There's the tower of the. In front of me one can see Mnajdra temples. Then when one arrives here, can choose either to continue to this paved path to the Mnajdra temples, which today is closed because Monday and Thursday is closed. Then from here one can go and visit the Mnajdra tanks, which are beautiful. I did a video on them as well. And but today we're going to go on this side, so we're going to visit the tower there, and then we continue down, hopefully until we reach the sea. So let's continue on this path. Now there is Mnajdra, and we're going to go to that side, to Tal Hamrija Coastal Tower. On the path here, one can find a lot of information. Look, this is about the flora and fauna. One can find in this area, and we are headed to the tower up there. Till now, it's easily done by everybody, yeah? That's very safe. Here everything is labeled. Natural trail A3. There's yellow and red, there are two. Here they are saying the children must be supervised at all times. Although I found here very safe. Beautiful at this area. Everywhere you look. The views are amazing. And we are walking to the Hamrija Tower. Hopefully. There are more information about this place. Here is some information about Filfla. It's very well made here, and it's nice to come even with your family. Here you can see Mnajdra temples. That build-up area there is our Lapsi. Here where those cliffs is the last video I did, is the Lapsi caves. And now we're going to visit the Hamrija Tower. Remember that Malta had a chain of these towers, equal space, that one tower can signal to the other if the enemy are going to invade Malta. Obviously, at that time, there was no WhatsApp, no messenger and no phone, so they had to do by smoke. Once we reach the tower area, as you can imagine, it's the perfect place for the view, and we're going to check the view from there. As I was mentioning before, this tower is one of 13 such towers built by the Spanish Grand Master Martin de Redin, 1658 to 59, which were used, as I'm telling you, to guard Malta against the Turkish invasion. If we go to the other side, maybe we can see the tower that is at Zurri. Here the viewer, as you can see, it's amazing. There's the torch, very beautiful there. There you can see Lapsi, although I'm not sure with this light. This tower is amazing, and it's in good shape as well, which is very good. Now if we go to this side, one can see barely the tower at Zurri there. There look some steps here, but the view is some. I will try to reach down there, but I'm not 100% sure because we are on top of the cliff, but that's right. Now I'm going to try to go down this path, which is not going to be easy, and it's not for everybody, because you have to scramble down the face of the cliff. And there's the tower, and our goal is going near this area down here, but here it's not that bad to go down. So let's start to find the easiest way and the safest way, most important, going down. We nearly made it down. It's nothing big, as I tell you. You don't have to be a Superman to go where if I go, anybody can go. You just need to use your head and find the easiest and safest route going down. But look, we had already gone down a big way. So the problem is, today I'm not puffing at all, but because I'm always going downhill. The problem is going back up, but hopefully I will not film going up so you don't hear me. We nearly made it all the way down. But as I tell you, always find the safest area to go in, to go down. And everybody has his limit, so maybe somebody is more athletic and can and more adventurous, but me, and I'm alone and I want to live for another day, so I'm taking great care not to get injured. Always going to these places alone. Always tell somebody where you are and what time you're getting back, just in case you get injured. They will know exactly where to come to find you, because these places, it's not always you have cell service. But look at the tower, how beautiful it is. Now here we nearly made it down to Ras Tal Hamrija. I'm not sure if it's called Ras Tal Hamrija or Ras Tal Hameija, this arch. I'm sure that out there many will know, and please comment below and tell us exactly the name of this arch. This I did it with kayak as well. I think the cover photo of that video is I took it here by the kayak. And we came from up there at the tower. Look at these cliffs, how beautiful they are. And here where there are this flat part, with the sunset they glow like an amazing color, because even at cliffs. And up there I encountered this. Look how beautiful here it is. One can see the arch up there. With the sun it's a little bit a problem. And here, from here to there used to be an arch, but it collapsed. So people now cannot walk from that part. But I think we can move to that area. So let's continue exploring. Wind is picking up. Look how beautiful this valley is. And all the way up there I'm getting some very black clouds, so I think I will have to start going down. I went down that route. Now, since there's a small monument there, I will go to that side, and it looks less steep to go up. So let's try that area and start heading up. Since this area is full of archaeological importance, reminding you that Hagar is here. There's Mnajdra there. Look what I found there. This is like an arm for a handle. How beautiful it is. Here it's very common to find pottery if you look for it, but this one used to be part of an amphora or a jar. Fascinating, eh? So now we're putting it back and we can continue our adventure. Man, this spot here looks a lot easier than going up the cliff, because it slants up smoothly. Look again the view from here. There is the arch, and the tower is up there, and we have to continue our way up here. And now I made it on top of the cliff again. As I always tell you here, the views are amazing. There's the tower, Mnajdra. Below here are the caves that I did in this video and in the last video, sorry. It's amazing, yeah? And here we're going to visit this memorial here. Let's go to check it out. Now I made it on top in the level of Mnajdra temple. In front of me there's Farrugia, and then there is this memorial. Let's see who's dedicated to. Well, this memorial is dedicated sacred to the memory of His Excellency Sir Walter Norris Congreve, Governor of Malta, buried at sea on the 4th March 1927. Between the spot and Farrugia, let's start from top. He chose a very beautiful spot to be buried on, and even this memorial, it's a very nice place. So now let's start making our way up to the car. Hope you enjoyed this vlog to Ras Tal Hamrija. It's a very beautiful, beautiful spot with a lot of importance to Malta from very thousands of years ago. Until next time, bye bye, and please hit the subscribe button and that bell so you get my notifications. Until next time, I tell you again, bye.